This 3D printing niche, where creators make different ASMR toys, is getting crazy views. Almost every video gets over 10 million views, and some videos even reach 100 million views. The creator of this channel is getting over 300 million views in 28 days and can potentially earn over $12,000 from YouTube. And in this video, I will show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to make the same type of videos from prompt to animation, and how to start making money on YouTube using 2 AI tools. The first step is writing high-quality prompts. We will do this through the free AI assistant Google AI Studio. All you need to do is go there and make a request for our prompts. And the first thing we do is copy any competitor video, paste it into Google AI Studio, and write, watch the video, analyze it, and write down how many frames are needed to do this using AI. I need to generate images and then animate them. Let's start with images. Write down how many are needed. I need exactly the same footage as in the video. It will analyze the video and understand what frames and scenes we need. Now take a screenshot, or you can do it without a screenshot, and write the next request. Write a prompt for this shot. First, an empty table, a person in first person, the same picture as in the example, only in different colors. And now we have the first prompt for the first image. Copy it and go to the second tool, which is Google Flow. It has a 1-month trial subscription available, and you can make videos for free without paying anything during the first month. Create a new project, and let's go through the settings. First, we will generate images. Choose Image, 9:16 resolution, 1 generation, and set the model to Nano Banana Pro. You generate images for 0 credits. Do not forget to upload reference images so the AI clearly understands what exact camera angle you need. Then insert the prompt, click Generate, and wait a few seconds. The first image is ready. Great. The angle and the table work for us. Make sure to do it in your own style, or just change the color of the table. Now download this image and go back to Google AI Studio. Write a new request. Now the second frame shows how beautiful soap appears on the table. A realistic frame. This will be frame to frame. The first frame is already there. And now the 3D printer prints 3D soap. Here is an important detail. Make sure to come up with your own ASMR toys that the 3D printer will print. Create something of your own, or take an idea from the internet. There are actually a lot of ideas. In my case, it will be soap, a wooden box, and a toy snake. Next, using my requests as an example, send requests to create prompts in Google AI Studio. Just change the request for your own toys, and that is it. We get the prompt, go to Flow, insert the prompt, and do not forget to upload the reference of the first image. Generate the second image with the finished soap or any other object. The second image is ready. Now we will immediately make an animation of how the 3D printer prints this soap. Go to Google AI Studio and write a request for the animation. Write a prompt for animation, frame to frame, no bugs, an empty table, and a 3D printer printing 3D soap. We get the prompt for the animation, copy it, and go back to Flow. Now I will show the animation settings. Here, choose Video, then Frames, 1 generation, 9:16, and the Veo 3.1 fast model. Upload the empty table as the start frame and the finished object as the end frame. Insert the prompt and generate. For this niche, we will use the frame-to-frame function a lot. The first animation is ready. The printer is printing the soap. Now we need to make an animation where the person takes the object in their hands. Write the request and copy the finished prompt. Insert it into Flow, and do not forget to add the frame with the finished object as the start frame, so the person can pick it up. And while we wait, I want to tell you that for your work to be original, this is important. Always create something of your own. It is not hard to come up with ideas. Every idea should be different from the others. This is the key to success on YouTube. The animation is ready. It looks great. Now I will make a wooden box and a toy snake as well, using the same principle as with the soap. We already have the first frame with the empty table. Now we just need to add objects on the table and make the animation through frame to frame. By the way, all the prompts I wrote are already available for you through the link in the description. Use my hints and only replace the toys with your own. There is the request, the prompts for images, and the prompts for animations that I used in this video. These prompts are already without mistakes, and you will make the video faster. But remember, if something does not work for you, you can always rewrite the prompt and generate it again. In general, the principle of this niche is simple. An empty table with a 3D printer that first prints 3D objects, then a person takes them in their hands and does ASMR. There can be up to 5 objects like this in one video. The person either assembles them or simply shows them and creates pleasant sounds so the viewer can relax. And that is it. The process in this niche is very satisfying and attracts a lot of people. I already made the box where the person put the soap inside, squeezed the soap inside it, and it popped. A cool ASMR sound. Only the toy snake is left. Using my prompt, we create the images for frame to frame and animate them the way I showed. Write in the comments what objects you created, or share your result. After we finish animating, download all the animations we made and save them to your computer. Now let's move to the final stage, video editing. I will edit in CapCut, but you can do it in any video editor. It does not matter. Create a new project and upload all our videos here. Now in chronological order, drag the animations onto the timeline. The only thing you need to do is connect all the videos, cut out any unnecessary parts, and very importantly, speed up all the animations because each one is 8 seconds long. Speed them up by 2 times or 3 times. This is necessary. If you need any extra ASMR sounds or other sounds, just generate them with 11 Labs. It also has trial credits available on some accounts, so you can test it without paying right away. While I am editing, I want to say one more important thing. When publishing the video, you can use the competitor's title style as inspiration, but with your own toys. Make sure to change the objects in the title and never copy everything exactly. Upload videos regularly, every day at the same time, or every other day. Do not take long breaks. These are real tips that came to me over time. I have already finished. Now export in the best settings. Set 30 frames per second and render the video. Let's see what we got. Friends, what do you think? I showed you the full structure of how to make these videos from complete zero. You can improve this niche and add a lot of your own ideas to make the content better. If you still have any questions, write them in the comments. I will answer everyone. Subscribe to the channel so you do not miss new trends. See you soon.